Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. Today, I am very hungry after work. And then I cook Yaki Soba. I wash. I rinse cabbage and then in the pan, tofu and ground pork or cook. And I keep overnight in the refrigerator. Now everything together in the pan, and then I gonna add vegetable that left over from last night. I always add leftover food in my cooking. And yeah, this is Yaki Soba. I hadn't eaten a couple years, I guess, because I didn't see at farmer market for a long time. That couple years was long for me because I like to cook Yaki Soba very often. It is easy, so I cook all. One pack contain 3 small packs noodle and then 3 small pack seasoning powder. That's it. I add a little water and then keep cooking until everything mix well and noodle soft. That's all. If I would like to add more flavor, add spicy, I can add chili sauce or dry chili like chili powder or sugar or soy sauce, and ready to eat. I finished work and very hungry. I eat my Yaki Soba with coconut water and sit in front of TV on the floor, stretch my legs. I am very relaxed and enjoy eating. Bye.